one.
Hey guys, today we are unboxing a Star Wars walker walker, and we're going to be building it. Some parts are going to be speeded up, and let's get to it.
All right.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Hey, so far it's really good. We've gotten this much, and listen, I'm trying to talk. And this little guy here.
Yeah, he's hanging out. That guy's pretty funny.
So he's gonna be up here at the front with you.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see him.
I hope you like seeing the shark eat me. Just stand. This guy will just stand.
Why do I feel like I'm doing this alone?
I don't know.
Yes, you won't.
Oh,
Right.
yeah?
Okay, we're gonna get
Back to fast
building.
motion. Later.
So far we've gotten this. I don't think you can see, but when I rotate this is moving because of the gears. That we put on in there.
That was exactly the piece I needed. That was weird.
2 stickers. I put my elbow on piece, and she's like, "That's the exact piece I need." Weird.
So weird.
Yeah.
It's like a
And
beard
so-
instead of face.
Yeah. Finished my walker already. Ah!
You're sort of in my way. I need another one of these.
And then on the what?
This one.
Okay, we're gonna get back to it.
Oh, I
Back to fast
have it.
motion.
Thanks.
I have it.
Beautiful. I need these.
Sorry about that. My little brother got sad for some reason. And so far, this has stayed the same.
Working on the feet.
Working on the feet. Just put on a sticker. We're getting it done pretty quickly. We're probably gonna have to do a part 2 maybe, but we might not. Just ignore me if it's a really, really, really long video, because then we'll probably finish it all.
You can fast forward to the end, I guess, but then you miss the journey.
Yeah.
Who wants to miss the journey? The journey's the fun part.
Do you need more of these?
Not at this moment, but I do need a bunch of these blue guys, like the long ones this time. Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
This one's like
Wait, how many? 2?
4.
Okay. 4. How many do you have? I've got 3.
Take that. You can put basically we're mirroring.
I didn't say shush. I said shh.
So put one
Whenever you started to cry.
skip one and put that
I
one.
don't like that.
Whenever you started to cry, I said shh. Just try to make you stop crying.
I couldn't. Oh, you.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get back to normal.
Yeah.
Not normal.
Can you find
Fast
this one?
motion. guys, so I just made him a sandwich. That's why I was gone. And one piece didn't come with, but I think it looked decorative, so I don't think it will mess up the way it functions. So we're probably going to yeah, we're going to finish this a little later probably. I've already said that, but we're going to take a break of recording because she's probably running out of space, and then we will catch back up.
I had this and then I took it apart.
We're gonna stop recording for a while. Hey guys, so that is going to be the end of the video part 1 for now, because just because, well, we're going to our aunt's house, and without further ado, let's end this video.
Let's end it, shall we?
Goodbye.